Hi, food lovers. Have you ever wondered how to get that perfect, crunchy, sweet, and irresistible coated peanuts? Well, in this video, I will show you step by step how to make your own very homemade coated peanut right in your kitchen with simple ingredients. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you will never go back to store-bought. Let's get started. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time coming across this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, like this video, and feel free to share. So in here, I have my raw peanuts, which we also call groundnuts, and then this is me adding very hot boiled water to it. Now the essence is just to get this a little bit cooked, and then it is just a necessary step. If you're frying your groundnut, if you want to roast it, you do something like this to make the peanut last long for you. So guys, next I'm going to sieve it. I sieve it out almost immediately, and then I'm going to add salt to it. You want to sieve it almost immediately, like I said. Do not leave it in the hot water for too long so that your groundnut won't get cooked. And after that, I went ahead to sun dry it. Sun drying is necessary. This is me trying to infuse the salt, allow the salt to sink in, and then yeah, it's very necessary. Then I went ahead to roast my peanuts. I'm using Gary chaff here. This is also very necessary, but I'm not going to roast it like I want to eat the peanut on its own. I just want this to be cooked, and then I can coat it. So if you want to, this is how to fry your groundnut. If you're frying just to eat it like that, you fry until the peel, you can easily peel it. You fry until you can easily peel it, but you can see this very one, I didn't remove the peel. I didn't fry it to that extent. Okay, so this is the flour and the peanut I'll be using. Next, I'm going to mix in my liquid, and for that, I'll be using 2 eggs. Feel free to use more eggs. Okay, feel free to use more eggs. I'll go ahead and mix this together. Now I'm going to give you tips. If you're doing this for commercial purpose, I'll give you tips on how to go about it. Next, I'm going to add liquid milk to this. If you want to use powdered milk, you don't need to add it to your liquid. You should mix it into your flour if you're adding powdered milk. And also, if you want to use baking powder, you should also mix it to your flour. If you want me to bring a video where I showed how to do that using baking powder and powdered milk, let me know in the comment section. I'm also going to add sugar to this. I'm not adding too much sugar because personally I don't like something that is too sweet, so I'm just going to add moderate sugar. If you like sugar, go ahead and do what you want. Okay, next I'm going to add my flavor to this one here is vanilla flavor, Clark vanilla flavor. I'm not going to use just vanilla flavor. If what you have is just vanilla, do it. If you want to use any other kind of flour, do it. But me, I'm going to take this peanut a step further. I want this to taste heavenly. So I'm also going to add my emulsion milk, milk flavor. This milk flavor is so good, like tastes so nice. It is something that once you add everywhere, start tasting and smelling milk. So this actually made this and the combination of this and the liquid milk, my peanut was actually giving me that aroma, the taste and the aroma that I wanted. So I'm gonna mix that in. Even if you're not using milk emulsion, you can use regular milk flavor. Yeah, that's fine as well. So I'm gonna mix this properly before I show you guys how to coat. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that right away. Please, just click and subscribe. Also like this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post videos on this channel, you'll get notified. And also drop a comment in the comment section. So I'll get a clean bowl like this, and then I'm going to transfer my peanut inside. You can see my peanut, the peel is still intact, but this is actually cooked. Now I'm going to transfer my peanuts inside, and this is how to coat it. I'm going to get the liquid, spread it on the peanut just like this. Spread just enough, don't add all at a time, okay? Just spread enough. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is to shake this. I'm going to try to shake it so that that thing I added will spread and touch every peanut that is in here. And then I'm going to sprinkle my flour on it, and I will shake everything together to spread and coat the peanut. That is why it is coated peanut. So the flour is going to coat on the peanut, and what will help the flour and the peanut coat properly is the liquid that you added. That is what will help it coat. Do you understand? Yes, I know you do. You have to spread the liquid on it, and then you spread the flour, and then you shake it in a way that it will coat, just like what I am doing right now. So I'll do this until I exhaust my entire flour. Yes. So guys, that aside, let me tell you guys how to do this for commercial purpose. If you're selling this, you may not, I won't advise you use egg, because egg is expensive. So if you're selling this, except you're not in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, egg is expensive. Okay, if you're in a country where egg is very, very affordable, you can use egg, because egg is actually good. Now if you're selling this, what you need to do is just get water, add all these ingredients I added to my egg, add it to water and use. Trust me, water will coat it very, very well. If you want me to show you a practical example, to let me know, I'll bring up a video like that for you. And also you need to use baking powder if you're selling, so that your coated peanut will look big, and it will look fine in your customers' eyes. They'll be attracted and they will want to buy. So you add baking powder to your dry ingredients, and then you use water for this. Do you understand? That way you will get profit as you are selling. So guys, after this, I'm going to just try to separate anyone that's joined together. I'll try to separate them, because we want them to be single. We want to fry them individually. So check if there is anyone. If you use water, a lot of them will come together, so you want to take your time to separate them. After that, I'll go ahead and sieve. If there is any leftover flour, I'm going to sieve. I heated my oil was hot enough, and then I'm going to fry this. I'm going to fry until it turns golden brown. You know when your stuff is cooked. I fried until it turned golden brown, and guys, that is just it. It's very easy, very simple. Don't you think so? Have you ever fried peanut before? Do you like peanut snacks? Leave it in the comment section. So this is my peanut. I just left it to cool a little bit, and then I packaged it. Look at them in here, fine, looking beautiful. Thank you for watching.